continuing on, we're talking about inflammation in the little series that I'm doing, and I want to talk a little bit about dairy, right? So what is dairy, and what is it supposed to be for, and who's supposed to consume it? Dairy, let's just call it milk, mother's milk. Mother's milk was designed for an infant with a immature, undeveloped digestive system, i.e. the newborn. It's a perfect food because it contains lactose, which is basically a form of sugar, which is designed for cellular metabolism and energy. I hope I'm saying that right. Some doctor out there is listening to me going, this guy's an idiot. And it also contains protein. Protein in an easy to digest format. And it's designed to help a small infant, which all infants are small relative to their animal adult size, grow at a rapid rate. All right, let me rephrase that. If an animal is born at 60 pounds and has to grow to 1,500 pounds in a year, the food it's containing, the milk, is what's going to help it get there. So there's naturally occurring growth hormones in the milk to help that little infant grow to its toddler size, its size it needs to be, so that's not a threat to the whole clan of animals that are moving around, right? When you're first born, you're kind of helpless. You got to grow quick so that you're not slowing down the herd, slowing down the pack, whatever type of animal that we're talking about. So there's biocompatibility. Let's not use affected terms. Milk is compatible for the animal that's producing it and its young. So a cow should be drinking cow's milk. A whale should be drinking whale's milk, right? Do frogs make milk? No, frogs don't drink milk. Human beings should be drinking human being milk. Humans are born at 6 to 8 pounds, and they're going to grow to 25 pounds in a year, 25 pounds in 2 years. That is the type of milk it should be consuming that helps it grow to that size. If a human being is drinking milk for an animal that is born at 60 pounds, trying to grow to 900 to 1,500 pounds in the first year, that type of growth inducement causes irritation because there is nowhere to grow inside that chemistry. That irritation forces a response mechanism, which is generally the secretion of mucus. Not just mucus in the lungs, mucus in the lining of the interior of the system. And that's a defense mechanism. And that defense mechanism of mucus is a big problem because mucus is a wonderful breeding ground for viruses, pathogens, and all types of things that cause problems. So, and it's the irritation, the body's response is also inflammation, even at an early age. As we grow older and we're continuing to consume those products, we realize that we don't actually need that much protein, and we certainly don't need that much growth when we're older. There's nowhere to grow. Additionally, what's changed, which is important to mention, is that cows are no longer the way they were hundreds of years ago on the fields. Now, cows are fed all types of hormones so that they stay pregnant all the time so that they can produce milk. There's a lot of hormones that are naturally occurring, or they're synthetically occurring, so to speak, in the blood and the chemistry of that animal, which gets into the milk, which gets into your system. Those hormones are a big problem for females and males. Children, big problem. We're going to go into some of those technical reasons in other videos. We're going to break down those very technical details of what those hormones of a pregnant cow cause in human chemistry.